Let's see it. 5. Hold on. So what we do actually is first of all, we're going to do this in place for 5 seconds to make sure the steps are right. But then as you start going forward, those were really long steps. We don't want to do long steps in our march drills. We want to keep our steps to about 6 to 12 inches. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, shoulders rounded forward. 2, take your time with this part. 1. Good, toes are always up. Good, buddy. Hands coming up to the eyebrow. Good, getting fast with each one, but really be violent through the ground. Now super fast with your march, super fast. Into a sprint. Here we go. 5, opposite arm, good. 4, shoulders rounded forward. 3, 2, 1, now we're marching. Good, buddy. Picking up the pace of the drill. Faster and faster into a sprint. Yep, so we just got to get that fast march to really look fast. A couple times, we'll see what it looks like. All the way down, yep. It's not bad. Try to keep your hips taller. I like to think of this one, if you're in top speed, your hips are not down. So think of this one as you've accelerated down the field, and now you're getting to top speed. So when I say your hips are getting lower, is you started the drill here, and you see how you're lowering the hips too much. So we keep the hips up, and when you see how when I hit the ground, I'm not actually jumping forward. I'm not aggressive. It's the opposite of the march drill. I'm actually learning to be really light and quick through the ground. Coming back. Toe up. Good, buddy. Keep pumping those arms. That's not bad. Get the toe up higher. Yeah, knee up higher, toe up higher, hips up higher. Here we go. 2 feet. Falling forward. Yep. Ginger on that. Ginger on that. I would have thought, just to be quite honest with you, that looked like you were coming off of an injury. I don't think you are, right? All right. You're too ginger on that. You need to be violent. You got the strength. You got to use it here. When you hit that first step, you were very casual with it. I need you to attack the ground. It's supposed to be like you're going to fall on your face, but then you catch yourself, you use your strength, you get that leg out in front of you. You got big muscles, got to use them. Here we go, right leg again. Fall, bring the knee up high and attack the ground. That's a little better, and that's a good push off. The first step still needs work, but that was good after that. You started to drive through the ground. We got to be a little more violent with the upper body, sure. It's that first step still looks a little ginger to me, where when you hit the ground, it doesn't look like this. It's supposed to look like that.
Wait, so you want me taking heavy steps?
I want you to take violent steps. So I get wary of the word heavy, because heavy for me feels slow. You could be violent with those steps and not be heavy. And so that first step, I think you're thinking about getting out of that step. I need you to put more force in the ground. So watch, when I fall forward here, I bring the knee up high, but then I still violently attack the ground. That's the idea. All right, so 2 on the left now. Not bad. Try to let your upper body fall a little bit more in front, okay, with you. So, because that was much more violent, but I noticed that you kept your shoulders back. And so what it looked like was this. It should look like that. Shoulders over knees, knees over toes. That one line down. Last rep, then we go ball skills. Go ahead. That one we reached a little. That's all right.